Baik, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai kelas, berjumpa lagi bersama Ustazah Eni Fitriani dalam mata pelajaran bahasa Inggris. And then we still continue for our material today about no lettering. And this is about our learning material. The first is about obligation, must, have, and has to. The students are able to tell and respond obligation. The second material is about prohibition. Don't. The students are able to tell and respond prohibition. And then the third is about suggestion. Should. Students are able to tell and respond suggestion. And then the fourth are about notice. Students are able to tell and respond the notice. And then now we come to the observation. See for this picture here. What do the sign and notice below mean? Ada 3 gambar di situ. Mari kita sama-sama mengartikan arti dari gambar tersebut. Yes, you may see in the first picture there is a P, ya, P letter. Ada huruf P di situ, kemudian P-nya dicoret. Kalau kita lihat, mungkin kita sering melihatnya ya, Nak ya. What does it mean? Apa sih artinya dari gambar yang dicoret itu? That's right. It means that we are forbidden to park here. Artinya kita tidak boleh parkir di sini. That's good. And then the second picture, we can see that the sentence is about slow down, accident-prone area. Ya, artinya di situ adalah kita diminta untuk pelan-pelan karena sering terjadi kecelakaan. That's right. And then now we come to the third picture. Kita masuk ke gambar ketiga, yaitu keep off the grass. Artinya di situ kita harus menjaga rumput itu. So we are not allowed to walk on the grass. Kita nggak boleh berjalan di atas rumput itu. Okay, class, now we come to the next material. Yes, please open your book page. Page 42. In the page 42, we can see. Yes. Okay. We can see so many expression, ya. So many expressions. So we can discuss first about asking about obligation. Kemarin kita sudah tahu ya apa sih obligation itu dan apa sih sebenarnya suggestion. Kalau obligation itu lebih kepada must, have to atau has to. Jadi lebih kepada suatu keharusan. Ya, the first is about must we depart now. Ini adalah bertanya sebuah keharusan. And then the second is about The second is about must I leave this jacket here? Don't we have to put our glasses on? Does she have to wear veil? And am I obliged to sign the form? Ya, ini tentang menanyakan keharusan. Jadi menanyakan boleh apa enggak sih gitu. Haruskah seperti itu. Dan bagaimana cara mengungkapkannya, menjawabnya? Yes, it's about stating obligation. We must depart now. Jadi kita harus depart, mendarat atau tiba sekarang. Next, you must leave your jacket here. Kamu harus meninggalkan jaketnya di sini. And then the next, we have to put our glasses on. Next, she has to wear veil. You are obligated to sign the form. And then now we come to the second, still in the page of 42. Ya, asking about prohibition. Nah, kalau prohibition tadi obligation, sekarang prohibition. Apa itu sih prohibition? Ya, suatu menanyakan ini nih boleh apa enggak sih, seperti itu. May I enter the room? Is camping permit in here? Am I forbidden sit on the bench? Is taking picture in the museum for prohibit? Ya, bolehkah saya masuk ke ruangan? Apakah kemah di sini diperbolehkan, apakah saya dilarang untuk duduk di sini, and then is apakah mengambil foto di museum itu dilarang, ya prohibited ya, artinya diperbolehkan, prohibit dilarang. Next, stating prohibitionnya. Kalau menjawab prohibitionnya itu seperti apa? Don't enter the room, jangan masuk ke dalam ruangan. Okay, next, camping in the ground is prohibited. You are forbidden to sit on the bench. We are prohibited to take picture in the museum. Next, the third is about asking suggestion. Ya, asking suggestion yang minggu lalu kita bahas yaitu tentang saran ya. Should I go home now? Should we bring our camera? Are they supposed to go with us? And then bagaimana cara menjawabnya? How to answer or how to state the suggestion? This is, you should go home now. We should bring our camera. They would be better go with us. Yeah. Okay, then class, that's the third expression, asking and also statingnya. Dan di sini sudah ada 3 tadi tentang ungkapan, bagaimana cara bertanya dan bagaimana cara menjawabnya. Now we come to the example here. Yes, the example here is about the picture is about no smoking, right? Almost we know about this picture. This is about the dialogue. Don't smoke in this area. Sure, I won't. Ya, gambar pertama atau dialog pertama, jangan merokok di area ini. Tentu saya tidak akan melakukannya. And then what about the second dialogue? May I smoke in this area? Kemudian, no, you are forbidden to smoke in this area. Nah, itu bertanya dan kemudian itu yang menjawabnya. Ya, berdasarkan ungkapan yang tadi ya. Kalau kita lihat pertanyaan yang pertama, don't smoke, itu berarti sudah sesuatu larangan ya. Masuk ke dalam prohibition. And then may I sama dengan prohibition tadi ya. Oke, kelas itu tadi yang sudah kita bisa pelajari. Kalian bisa lanjutkan untuk ke tugas. Ya, untuk tugasnya the assignment is do task 2 page 44. Melanjutkan yang halaman 44 tadi. Tadi sudah ada contohnya kita bahas. Open your book page 44. Do like the example, do it in your handbook, kerjakan di buku cetak saja. Upload the photo of your job in the next meeting. Ya, nanti next meeting kita akan evaluasi materi bab ketiga kita, and also you must upload the photo of this of your job in the next meeting. Jadi minggu depan foto tugas yang kalian hari ini kerjakan itu diuploadnya minggu depan di Google Form. Okay, class, I think that's all about our meeting today. Let we close by saying Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.